How to fix Twitter verification option not showing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Twitter verification option not showing, easy and fast, in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple and easy. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. Go to the apps right here. Now on this page you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone, and then scroll until you find Twitter. Click on Twitter, click here on this force stop and then go down to the storage, click here on clear data and clear cache, and then go back, click on the permissions, make sure that all permissions are enabled like this, and then go back. And last thing you want to do is open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, and then search for Twitter and click here on update if you don't have the latest version, so you should make sure to up to date. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it for today's video.